while your fixed housing costs keep rising. Hi, my name is Mark Hewitts and I'm with Maryland Real Estate Professionals and RE/MAX Realty Plus right here in Central Maryland, and we have Central Maryland covered. And I want to share with you what separates buyers who thrive from those who struggle with home ownership. Most buyers get approved based on one number, that mortgage payment, but the smartest buyers, they budget for the complete picture from day one. Here's what successful homeowners plan for that goes beyond the mortgage. Insurance that's going to rise year after year, property taxes that climb as your home appreciates, maintenance costs, utilities, and those inevitable system replacements. Think about it this way. If you're approved for a certain amount of monthly payment, the smartest move is to assume that your actual housing costs will be substantially higher when you add in everything else. Insurance keeps rising. Taxes are going to climb even when the rates stay flat because your home value continues to increase in value. And homes need thousands of dollars annually just to stay in good shape. That doesn't include renovation, that's just to keep things working. The difference between the buyers who love home ownership and those who feel stressed, they planned for the full picture before they signed anything, not after. When you budget realistically from the start, you're not just buying a house, you're building wealth with confidence and with peace of mind. If you want to know what you should really budget for in your situation, then let's talk before you start shopping. I'll help you create a complete financial picture that sets you up for success. Hakuna Matata, it means no worries for all your real estate days. Hundreds of Maryland home buyers and home sellers have trusted myself and the Maryland Real Estate Professional team with their most valuable negotiations, their homes. We look forward to earning your trust as well. If you want to learn more about the true cost of home ownership, go to our blog at www.mdreprosblog.com, and you can read the full blog post that we have there about the true cost of home ownership. And if you want to learn more about what's going on in the DMV and what's going on in real estate, then read our monthly newsletter at www.mdreprosnewsletter.com. I look forward to talking to you soon. Have a wonderful week and be sure to hug those that you love. Take care.